It's exactly 4:20 in the morning. 4:20 pa lang, haba na ng pila. Ayan. Doon pa kami sa likod. Pila. Pila pa rin dito. Para ata sa mga Koreano kasi yung Koreano. So, tingnan natin kung anong oras. Liwanag na. Breakfast muna kami bago magpuntang Butanding. 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 Name.
Let's go, Butanding.
Let's go, Ken. The Butanding.
Okay, palarga na. Papunta na kami, Whale Shark.
You gotta listen up, listen up.
Ito na, ito na.
Can't get from you. Need that much, need that much. I tell you what I wanna do. I never needed
Tinatawag na ako na Whale Shark. Hindi na makikita. Are you ready? I can hear you. Are you ready? Yes!
where we can go, where it's always shining.
Masabi.
Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, oh. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause
Tara,
you're
lusog
the
tayo,
only
lusog!
thing that I can't lose. I never needed
Okay,
you
mamaya na
to
ulit.
give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, oh. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, oh.
Okay ba pa-picture sa video sa akin? Dito. Kasi hanggang 11 lang eh. Diba? So, tapos na kami magbutanding. Okay na may experience. The best. Laki. At halos katabi mo yung whale shark talaga eh. Tapos pinapakain at paikot yun. Yan. Crossover. How's this experience?
Nice.
Anong butanding? Matatadya ka mo talaga eh kasi ang lapit eh. Di ba? Mararamdaman mo yung ano niya eh. Yung katawan eh. Pag nasa likod mo, tapos kung pa-picture ka pa, di mo alam kung nasa likod mo na. So sasakay kami ng shuttle going to
Docking area, Sumilon, BRR.
docking area.
BRR boat rental.
Sumilon. Papunta kami sa Sumilon Island. Island din, sir. Sumilon Island.
Sumilon Island, Sunburn.
Counter.
Pero sila nabibigyan nila yung pagiging late.
Sorry, mababasa ka.
Last.
Kahit konting ano lang.
Meron pa si...
Hindi siya pwede
Ah!
motion sickness. May motion sickness. May motion sickness na.
Yan! Saan tayo papunta? Sumilon Island! Tapos na sa Butanding. Tapos na. Hindi pa rin ako eh, no? Yan! Woohoo! Ayos! So, Sumilon Island, tapos may nadaanan pa kaming falls later. And then after, hindi ko lunch na, hindi ko alam kung saan mag-lunch, pero sana sa Karkar. Tapos after lunch, meron pang set of tours na pupuntahan para mga spots before we go to the airport. So, let's see! Kita-kits!
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Sumilon Island. Papahinga. Nagpapahinga lang kami. Nag-swimming. Kapoy na eh. Yung mga girls, swimming sila dun. Ayun.
Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I lean on you and I lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my
Tagal, malayo ba ito, sir?
Malapit lang sir.
Ah, lapit.
Doon ako lang yan sir.
Eh, si Kuya, oh. Kuya, ikaw lang sa vlog ko.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Yun! Woo! Good Joanna! Yun! Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby! Ayos! Malapit na. Ito pala. Ang tawag dito, sir?
Tumalog waterfalls pa.
Mahalog Falls. Nice one. Yung pala yung
Mas maganda
testing
man to sa kawasan sa
Guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know.
Tayo, pre! Baka naman. Tayo, pre. Pinakamagandang back service na buong Pilipinas.
Video muna. Video nga ni.
After sa falls, eto, alis na kami sa Gravino Tourist Team dahil check out time na. Punta na kami sa Karkar. Hindi. May pupunta pa ata kami mga church bago kami pupunta sa Karkar. So, kita tayo later. Yan na kami, boy. What's up, man? Ano ulit, Camille?
Mamaman mo. Lab. Lasang lechon nga.
Gina kay Jake?
Lechon flavor.
Tara na! Karkaran na!
Go lechon.
Let's go, lechon.
Wala nang ibang nasa isip kundi lechon na lang talaga. Rekta na natin, huwag na tayo mag-church. Lechon na agad.
Yan!
Cartel?
Quartel.
Quartel.
Sir, mga barracks sa sinauna ng mga Spanish.
Barak sa mga Spanish. So, ang tagus ito yung makikita mo yung dagat. May museo din ng Oslo. So, ito yung tinatawag nilang kwartel. Dumaan lang kami kasi bago kami punta car para makita lang yung iba pa pang mga sites here in Oslo. And this is the Oslo Church. Hello. Sarap tignan ng mga sinaunang no? Church, sites, may park pa dito. So, ayan. Anyway, tingnan natin kung saan pa ulit yung next site na pupuntahan namin bago mag-car. Sakay na, madali. Para makakain na. Kita-kits. So, dito tayo sa car ngayon. Nakapili na kami ng lechon pero video ko muna yung mga nagbibenta ng lechon dito sa car.
Sir, ilang kilo, sir? Hi! Binibenta niyo man mo.
Meron na ito nakabili na eh. Video ko lang kayo. So, 500, 700, meron pang bumaba ng 300 yung kilo ng lechon dito sa Karkar. Tapos bibili ka rin ng rice para sobrang dami na nun, 1 kilo. Napakamura talaga ng lechon dito. Makakain na kami. Kita-kits tayo sa mesa.
Ay, syempre pinagbigyan namin kayo na. Malay ba namin? Dapat ang tagal pa dumating ng dalawa. Sige, makipag-unahan ka. Sige, makikipag-unahan na kami ha.
So, sige, ano naman sabi mo? Sarap ba?
Pauwi na tayo eh.
Sobrang value for money.
Sa airport na yun.
Ikaw pre, ano masabi mo doon sa lechon na nakain mo? Magkano?
500 per kilo siya, pero spicy. Okay naman, nandun naman yung lasa. Masarap naman. Yun nga lang, medyo budo lang yung lamang yung laman sa balat.
Ayun lang.
Daddy naman talaga ang...
Magkano yung sa inyo? Magkano?
Solve yun per kilo? 600.
Sarap. Ilang kilo ba binili mo?
3.
Tatlo.
Kaya hindi niloko si Joanna. Kasi mahal yung per kilo.
Kaya pag
Rising up like the phoenixes. Been tired of pushed underground. Speaking my heart like it really is. 'Cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get. No one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get. Go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I got my lows, I got my highs.
Ano ba yan? Dito natatapusin yung vlog namin dito sa Cebu. Maraming salamat Cebu City sa mga nag-tour sa amin. Sa lahat. Enjoy kami dito. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Back to Manila na in a while. Kita-kits.